Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $5 over and over again. And you can do nothing to earn this money, guys, okay? It's just going to be some installs, and that's it to set you up. And then you can make some easy money without doing anything, guys. And some of this pays in PayPal cash, guys, okay? So let's check it out. Hey guys, since you are on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out that on my banner up here on the right, you will see this Make Big Money here link. You guys want to probably click on that because you want to find out how to make bigger money, guys. In today's method, you're not going to make as much money as that. So just FYI, okay guys? All right, so let's get to the methods today. I'm going to show you methods of how to earn $5 over and over again, and you're going to not have to do anything but install, okay, and get just set up. So the first place I want to show you is here, okay? So look, you're gonna sign up. All you gotta do is sign up because you need to provide a profile, right? So you need to take a very short survey and set up your account right there, okay? And then you're gonna install this program into your devices. Once it's registered, then you're just going to enjoy. You're going to keep your devices connected and take surveys to earn rewards for contributing important insights. So that's the secondary part, guys. You could still earn money just from being connected, okay? So this app is called Smart Panel, okay? This Smart Panel app will give you the ability, because what they want to do is find out how people are using their devices. So by installing their app on your phone or on different devices, it looks like you could do tablet as well as maybe even TV. I'm not sure about TV, but you know, what they're doing is just collecting data, and your privacy is one of the very important things that they will protect for you. So the smart app runs in the background while anonymously and securely collecting data about how you use those devices. We collect data about the usage of devices, device features, apps, websites, and services. And then once they collect the data, what they're going to do is to help other companies basically to improve their services and features, so that if you're using one of their brands or companies that is reviewing this data, then they could improve the app or website for you, okay? So we do not share any personal or protected information such as credit card information or passwords or with third parties. So you can be sure that your stuff is going to be protected. Now, here's the regular rewards, okay? This is the one that you could do nothing, okay? Qualifying panelists can earn $5 for every 30 days your devices stay connected. So you could really earn $5 over and over again just by doing nothing but your everyday stuff once you're set up. But you probably want to earn more, because if you do these surveys and enter these giveaways, you could earn a lot more, guys, okay? And for this smart app, it has a 4.0 rating on the Google Play Store with over 4,000 people reviewing it. And you'll see down here that it's been over 100,000 installs. So it is working for some people there. Now, here's the next one. The next one I wanted to show you is at Slide Joy, okay? Every time you check your phone, this is for Android, by the way, you will see a card with a news story or promotion on your lock screen. So all you need to do for this app is just install and then just use your phone as normal. So when you first open your phone, you're going to see an ad or something like that. And if you swipe left, you could read more about that card. Or if you don't care about it, you can slide up and you're going to get to the next card. And if you just want to get to your phone, then you just slide right just to get to your phone. So if you don't want to disturb, but every time you open your phones, one of these will pop up and you still earn money just from that if you want to go instant access, swiping right to get to your phone. They'll also give you like just also news stories as well, not just like bombard you with promo ads, but you will also get other things. And so this is a second one that you can sign up for, and it's very beneficial, guys. Oh, and you get PayPal here, okay? And so it's very beneficial that you use all the apps I show you in this video, because this is the way to basically maximize your earnings, okay? For SlideJoy, it is one of the biggest apps, okay, with over, I mean, almost 100,000 people reviewing it. That means you got like over 1 million installs, guys, okay? That is a lot, and they just updated not that long ago, guys, okay? But the rating is 3.9, so, you know, give and take, but a lot of people are using it. It's working for them. And so the last one I want to show you is called Screen Lift, okay? So these sites, you can get to them on the Google Play Store. You just got to search their names. Screen Lift is this one. So this one, the first screen that pays you. So how this one works is that you're going to customize your first screen. You're going to personalize your first screen with our many unique features. And then you're going to use your phone as usual. So basically, again, you just do setup, and forget it. And then you're going to get paid every time you open your phone. Earn lifts each time you open your phone, and cash out for real money, guys, okay? Says, I've been using this app for 2 months and I have now made over $40 simply for using my phone like I usually do. So this is a pretty good one. So here, an improved first screen. So check out our unique features. So you can add all these things to your front screen. Their Google Play Store rating is at 4.0 with almost 4,000 reviewers. So it's at 4.1. So it's a little bit better than SlideJoy, but it's about the same. And with over 100,000, not SlideJoy, sorry, with a smart panel. And this has over 100,000 people installing this one too. So if you want to earn money this way, guys, without doing anything and just installing and getting this set up on your phone, this is one way of earning. And there's 3 apps that you can do this with. So I hope that this will help you make some money. But really, guys, obviously these apps aren't going to make you a lot of money, as you can tell, because you're not doing anything and they're just collecting data off your phones or your devices. So what you guys want to do with that money earned is saving it so that you can invest in a program like the one I was showing you in the beginning of this video, okay? If you want to make some real money online, guys, you need to really learn some online skills. And how you can learn some online skills is really checking out this link right here. It is clickable, and you can check out the program that I use to learn how to make big money online, guys. We're talking about thousands of dollars that you can earn online passively. So this method that I use, I can work my own schedule, but I earn any time of the day, whether I'm sleeping, working, playing, or eating, okay, guys? So this is a great method, and it will earn you way more than these little apps, okay, guys? So I hope you will check it out. So again, you could click it up here or check out my YouTube banner art, okay, guys? Alright, I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, okay? If you haven't already, though, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And you guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, but I don't know when they come out, so you must get notified, okay? I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.